Hey everyone, it's Junior the Mechanic. We got a 2011 Toyota Corolla. Customer complaint, it idles but no throttle response. So in other words, when you hit the gas pedal, nothing happens. So the car was towed in, and as you can see, I'm turning the key, but it seems that there's no power. It may be more than one issue going on. Let's pop the hood to see what's going on. Using the DVOM. For those that aren't familiar with what this tool is, it's an electrical tester, used in a variety of ways depending on the application. Starting off with a basic battery test, setting the scale to volts DC. With the red and black color test leads of the DVOM, we're going to put the black on the negative and the red on the positive. So we're getting about 3.5 volts. This battery is toast. It's completely fried, so it has a bad cell. It's gonna need a new battery, but for now, I'm gonna use the jumper pack as the battery. So I'm done using the DVOM for now, so I'm gonna put it back in my toolbox and get the jumper pack out. So now that we got the jumper pack out, just like how we were doing with the DVOM, red on the positive and black on the negative. Make sure the positive is on the positive and the negative is on the negative. Once that's done, turn the key to the on position and start the car. So now that the car is running, we can now go inside the car and see what's up with this gas pedal situation. So I'm inside the car and notice how the check engine light is on, and also notice that the RPMs of the engine are not changing while I'm pressing the gas pedal. Here's a few different angles of me pressing the gas pedal, and if you can listen close, you can tell that the engine RPMs are still not changing while I'm pressing the gas pedal. Let's get to the data link connector, usually found underneath the dashboard. Using the Al-talla Elite Diagnostic tablet, I want to see what I can pick up on the check engine light. Here's the reason why the check engine light is on. P2118. The description for that code is throttle actuator control motor current range performance. This code can pop up for lots of reasons. It's leading us to the throttle body. When diagnosing, I always like to check fuses. And in this case, on this car, the throttle body gets its power from the ETCS fuse. Using the fuse puller that comes with the car, we're going to use it to pull out the 10 amp fuse. Sure enough, the fuse is actually blown. With the fuse being broken, the throttle body won't have the power that it needs. I'm replacing the old fuse with this new one. Hopefully that's the only thing that's wrong here. That's done. Now let's go ahead and clear the check engine light. Yes, the check engine light's now gone. Let's rev it up and see what we got. Woo! No more check engine light. The car's responding to the gas pedal. The problem's now fixed. last but not least, once the diagnostics are complete, remove the module and leave it next to the tablet. You don't want this thing to get lost. Before I let this car back out, I just gotta put the engine cover back on, close the hood, and it'll be ready to rock and roll. Ciao.